All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Episode number 5, Behind the Counter with Nick Allen. Let's talk SharkBite. Where did it come from? Back many moons ago, King SharkBite came down from his mighty mountain and gave us SharkBite. It was a beautiful thing. What is it though? Well, it is a push-to-connect fitting opportunity for you. Transition, service, repair, remodel, no matter what you've got going in your life, SharkBite has a solution for you. So you can transition from PEX, copper, CPVC with a standard SharkBite fitting. If you've got some PVC that you need to move on over and transition from, they've got a solution for that too. Brand new water heater, and there's some copper pipe up there. Well, I can tell you right now, I'm not a sweater, but SharkBite goes straight to it. Not a problem. Screw it straight on the top of your heater, push to connect. Within 3 seconds, you've made a nice solid connection that is leak proof. So, how easy is it though? Is it that easy? Yes, it is. Little piece of PEX, slide it in, that's it. It's on there. How can we take it off? Well, we've got these little tongs. Little push, release, comes right apart. These fittings are reusable over and over and over until you have exactly the setup that you need in your life. So we've got a wonderful variation of all kinds of combination for SharkBite. They've got a lot of solutions for you. So I tell you what, I need you to do something for me. Come in and see me soon. But wait, there's more. This week and this week only. The first 2 people to come in and spend $50 on SharkBite fittings. That's it. $50 on SharkBite fittings that you need in your life. I am going to throw in some disconnect tongs. $14 value thrown at you for free. Again, I've got this opportunity for 2 very lucky customers. We'll see you soon.